open Google Chrome web browser and go to Chrome Web Store. Search the browser extension here. And add it to Chrome, and please wait until it installs on your browser. Now right click on the extension option and select the manage extension. Here you can allow it in incognito mode. Now you just have to do to make your network connection private and access to blocked website is to click on the extension button and turn on this option. Now you can see that your accessing location will be Netherlands, and now you can access any website. You can also change the state by clicking here.